Hello friends, I'm here to tell you how pregnancy detection takes place through this pregnancy kit. It has control unit and test unit denoted here with C and T respectively, and a vial unit denoted with S, where we can put morning urine sample for detection of pregnancy. After putting urine sample, you can now see change in color of C and T unit. Here you saw both C and T unit color appear pink lines, which gives positive result for pregnancy. If there is no pregnancy, then C unit give pink line and T unit T that is test unit doesn't give any color. You can wait for 20 minutes for appearance of color, then decide if the test is positive or negative. If the both C and T unit appear color, then it is positive. If only C unit appear color, then it is negative. Here you saw two pink lines at C and T, means it is positive for pregnancy test. Thank you.